Pass.
CarProUSA.com.
548, Todd Jeffries and Don Pryor.
Yeah.
A lot of people getting up this time of day. You got to have that first cup of coffee, of course, right? Well, your coffee maker is disgusting. Just want you to know, this is a little public service announcement. We're concerned about your health, right, Don?
Yes.
I mean, you're concerned, right?
I'm concerned about your health because of your coffee maker.
Well, listen, you should be cleaning your kitchen often, according to this story. It's not as tidy as you think, especially if you've never washed the inside of your coffee maker, right? Now, according to this new study, the device gives life to your mornings, but could be one of the dirtiest things in your house at this point, potentially leading to, allergic reactions, maybe even infections in your mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, the National Sanitation Foundation International found that more than half of the water reservoirs, that they tested were covered with mold and yeast.
Oh, nice.
Coliform bacteria was also found. Now, depending on the machine that you own, Delish points out that vinegar could actually help with the disinfecting, or there's cleaning solutions that you could pick up out there as well. Now, on the outside, give it a little bit of a Clorox wipe is what they say. Yeah, but you got to run like some vinegar, water, diluted vinegar and water through it to clean it. Yeah, they say you should do it often because, it can. It's one of the dirt. It could be more dirty than your toilet.
I was just thinking, we have an iced tea maker. We don't drink coffee, but we have an iced tea maker. It's the same concept. Same concept exactly. We've never washed that thing.
Yeah,
I have no idea.
that's
I've
disgusting.
often wondered.
It's disgusting.
Wonder what's going on in there. We just assume that since the water's not in there very long, that it must be okay. Just the water just
It's
dries.
hot water. You're running hot water.
Yeah,
through
running
it.
water, and it dries and should be fine, right?
Yeah.
Man, I might be killing myself.
It is 5:50. We got this story on my LinkedIn page at Todd Jeffries.